everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna help you how to recover your Pinterest account when you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're not yet. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. First thing to do, go to your Pinterest application from your app drawer and tap it open. You can also go visit your web browser and type in www.pinterest.com, and then once you reach the home screen, simply tap on the email address box and select your email address. Simply type in your email address in the email address text field. Once you do that, tap on the continue button at the bottom, and when the enter your password text field appears, if you know your password, then you can easily enter it there and then log into your account. But since we are recovering our Pinterest account since we don't remember the password, let me go and tap on this link right here that says forgotten password. Once you tap on forgotten password, you'll be able to see an expanded menu at the bottom. It says that and instructions to pick a new password has been sent to the following email address that is associated with the account. Tap on OK and go see if you received any email. This is the email that I have received. Simply tap on reset password, open with either a web browser or Pinterest application, and then you'll get to enter a new password for your account. Type in the new password that you'd like to reset to. You can double check your password by tapping on this show password box and tap on login. And that way your password will be changed for your Pinterest. Next time you log into your account, remember that you have changed your password to a new one. Once you have a correct password, you will have no problem logging into your account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.